Okay, so back to strategy. Sorry.
Sorry, we are so all over the place.
Well, it's good for people to know. I mean, yeah.
You wanted to know like the order in which I shop, like what?
Well, like we already, I want to like help people understand how to like engage your mind to increase your hourly rate, and we already talked about like picking bigger batches,
moving quicker, right?
But like, how do you be quicker in the store? And I saw in one of your videos that you do all the frozen items last, which makes sense. But like,
yeah, I think, I mean, there are little tricks that I guess I've kind of picked up as I go. I know a lot of people with the replacements, at least right now, some people are like messaging the customer every single replacement that they want to do. I don't do that unless I feel like it's way off, then I'll send them a message. But instead what I'll do is as soon as I get to the store, I have like a pre-written message that says, hey, this is your Instacart shopper. I just want to let you know I'm shopping now. Please keep an eye on the app for changes in replacements. Rather than going through this messaging system, it would be easier if you just approved or declined those straight through the app. So that way, kind of like training them, don't talk to me this whole time, because don't get me wrong, like I do my fair bit of chatting, and like, I'll message them if I find like toilet paper or something, which is something I don't find here often. I'll send them a photo and say, hey, do you want this? Like, if somebody takes toilet paper from me, if I add that to their order, like automatic tip increase.
Yeah, automatic. Definitely. That's nice.
Yeah.